So you want to know what's the next big thing in DeFi and why everyone is talking about this token right now? That's why you clicked on that video, right? Well, let's dive into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. You're watching Crypto Corner with myself, OJ. This is the video podcast where we talk everything crypto related to help you navigate easily and safely in the cryptoverse. Today we're talking DeFi and Web3 again, and the one platform that I think everyone should be using, and if you're not yet on it, you're missing out on some great tools and a great new token too. If you are a DeFi user or just dabbling into the world of decentralized finance, this is for you. And if you're new to DeFi, this is an emerging model for organizing and enabling cryptocurrency-based transactions, exchanges, and financial services altogether. It's an umbrella term for peer-to-peer transacting on public blockchains like Ethereum or Polygon, for instance. It is a rapidly growing sector in the crypto industry and has made significant contributions already to bringing blockchain technology to the mainstream, but it still faces certain challenges that hinder its mass appeal, mainly in terms of complexity of most DeFi platforms. It's just not easy to use them due to complicated interface, making them accessible only to seasoned users. Another challenge is the security of smart contracts, which are vulnerable to hacks and scams. Not to mention all of the rug pulls and other outright scams that pop up on a daily basis in the cryptoverse. So today I'll introduce you to a website that I recently started using that offers a suite of tools and services aimed at enhancing security, usability, and interconnectivity in the DeFi ecosystem. It's called simply DeFi. D.Fi is the website, and as you guess, it's an all-round platform for DeFi and Web3 users that has everything from an exchange, instant swaps, analytics, code reviews, antivirus tool that scans smart contracts for vulnerabilities, a dashboard to easily manage your transactions, and a social network focused on DeFi. It's not newly launched. In fact, it has been around since the boom of DeFi back in 2020. But I just joined it a few weeks ago after I noticed lots of my peers on crypto Twitter and my Telegram community talk about it. There's a real buzz about this right now with their launch of the 2.0 version, so naturally I had to check it out and report to you, so here we are. I know this may sound bold, but DeFi 2.0 will enable the onboarding of the next billion users onto Web3 with a projected 100x user growth for the industry. In fact, the platform has already gained over 3 million subscribers, and their first round of token sale has sold $1 million worth of DeFi tokens in just 6 hours, and they're just getting started. It's the most comprehensive ecosystem in Web3, and they are now bringing a native token, DeFi, and I'm very bullish on it, so of course I scooped some in the pre-sale. The project was started by a handful of people, but today DeFi has a team of 50, and their product has been developing for the past 4 years. They have already launched multiple innovative solutions like crypto's first antivirus and the largest social profile network. More than 3 million users already signed up. They offer the largest portfolio tracking, and what's even more impressive, the project is backed by directors of Coinbase and Binance, as well as leading crypto exchanges like OKX, Huobi, Bitmart, MEXC, and more. So who knows, maybe the listing on these leading exchanges is coming soon. I'm pretty sure it will. Among the top backers and angel investors are also top people at Polygon Network, Coinbase Ventures, Synthexis Network, another great crypto project that I featured here on this channel quite some time ago. Also a former Binance chain director, the founder of Paraswap, the former Huobi managing director, and others with such a stellar list of high-profile backing. I have no doubt this is a project that's here to stay, and their token is bound to do well as the backbone of their ecosystem. Some of the more exciting upcoming products on their roadmap include an AI chatbot GPT style to provide tailored guidance on DeFi investments, also crypto credit card, not debit. This will be like your typical credit card, something that I haven't seen on the market yet. So let me walk you through the website quickly, and then I'll get some tokens from this latest round of their pre-sale. I missed out on the first 3 rounds as I was sleeping on it, but that's alright, I'm still early. And so are you if you're watching this video as soon as I publish it. I hope you have notifications on, guys. It pays to be early with these things. So let's take a look at the website. Let me log in. First you will arrive on this page or this page. When you click on my link, you will arrive at one of these two portals where you will need to join to enter the application, connect your wallet, and you will be creating a account as well. I'm going to use MetaMask here. You have a choice, quite a wide choice, and because I've already linked my wallet, it immediately logged me in, right? But you will have to approve this login in your MetaMask. You will get a message in MetaMask to approve, and once you approve it, then you will log into your account. Now, I do have several MetaMask wallets here on this account, and it reads all of them. So I have 3 accounts in this MetaMask, and right now I'm connected to Binance Smart Chain, but it doesn't matter. I can connect to Ethereum or Polygon, whichever it is, and it still is going to read all of the different chains that I have any assets on. So we can see here there is Ethereum chain, there is Polygon and BNB chain, and I have a little bit of assets on each of them. I don't really keep a lot of assets on my MetaMask. I don't think it is safe to do so. Therefore, you see small amounts. Now, what I can do here is, let's go into the wallet. And here I can explore the different tokens. So from this point on, as I'm connected here, I don't really need to go into my MetaMask wallet and explore the tokens here in MetaMask. Sometimes, tokens don't really show up. So this is really my dashboard. Here I have also an address book, and if I have different addresses, they're going to show up here. My MetaMask is EVM based. It's a Ethereum wallet anyways, so it shows up here. If I have wallets on Solana or Cardano, they are going to show up here if I've connected them. So you can really manage all of the different wallets that you have here on this platform. This makes it really easy. What I actually like about this, let's click on this wallet. Now I'm seeing my account overview on all of the assets that I have into this wallet. If I click here, I'm going to actually see a detailed breakdown on everything. So I can see here on my Ethereum chain, these are the assets that I currently have. On Polygon, these are the assets that I currently have, and on BNB chain, these are the assets that I currently have. In fact, I do have here a spam token from what I'm seeing, and MetaMask doesn't send me that warning. In fact, MetaMask doesn't even show me this token, but here I can see it on this DeFi platform, and I want to see what is this message. I'm actually getting a warning that this is a scam token. It is a huge risk of dumping tokens, a very low liquidity, a high risk of being a rug pull token, and it's mintable, which is also a high risk. Many people do these kind of tokens that they sort of airdrop them into your wallet. Like I've got some of these tokens into my wallet. I didn't really do anything to get this token. It was airdropped automatically to me. And now, for me to actually obtain these tokens, I will have to mint it. So most likely I will have to pay in BNB token to mint this. And most likely it will be just a scam token, but they will steal my BNB by paying for minting it. This is what happens on Ethereum chain a lot. There's many tokens like that on Ethereum chain. So having all of these warnings, having all of this analysis already done for you makes it so much easier to spot these scam tokens and, not fall victim to it. I also have another one here on in my Ethereum wallet. It's got 28 out of 100 score. So really not good. This is a high risk token. So definitely great to be able to see all of these things. Also, another thing is I haven't even logged in yet. This is only me connecting my wallet, and I already see all of these details. Now let me log in my profile. Okay, and now it actually reads my username. I can see more details even here. Now I've connected 2 different wallets. One is my private wallet, the other one is my public wallet, and I can add another account from here. Or also I can open this drop down menu here and I can add a wallet from here. I can choose, the wallet provider and everything. I'm not going to go through this, but you get the idea. Or I can click here, add account, and it's the same process. Also, if I want to see both of these, I can go here, view all, and now it's going to show me both of my wallets. One is my busyjordi.eth. This is the one that I'm also using publicly with my Twitter and everything. And this is my private one. So these are the 2 I connected. I can connect more. And one more thing I want to show you here is if you go here to progress, here you have a daily reward. So just by logging in on a daily basis, you collect XP tokens. So I'll just click claim my rewards. It's done. So for today, I've claimed my reward. In fact, I forgot to do that yesterday. It's good to do it on a daily basis because you collect this on a daily basis. So far, I have 770 XP tokens. Not a lot because, as I said, I haven't actually used it for very long. Somehow, this went under my radar for quite some time, and I only discovered this website about a month ago. And I had to ask for an invite because I couldn't really join it on my own. But definitely grab my link from the description below. This is where you're gonna find my invite. It is limited to 10 invites, but as they expire, I get another 10 and then I can request even more. So if they expire, message me and I will get some more invites. And if this is not enough, DeFi is poised to revolutionize the world of cryptocurrencies with its groundbreaking Layer 2 chain, which promises to be the fastest and most secure in the industry. What sets it apart is the incorporation of their pioneering crypto's first antivirus, ensuring unparalleled safety and integrity within the network. Moreover, DeFi Connect, the next generation social profile, is on the horizon with the exciting prospect of onboarding over 10 million new users. This development signifies a significant expansion of the DeFi ecosystem, bolstering its online presence and cementing its authority within the crypto community. Adding to this innovative landscape is DeFi GPT, set to be the inaugural AI-powered dashboard in the crypto realm, further pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Given these remarkable advancements, it is no wonder that I'm bullish on their DeFi token, which is poised to empower a massive Web3 ecosystem, boasting over 10 million active users. This token will serve as the backbone for validators and indexers of the Layer 2 chain, while also granting exclusive access to the coveted DeFi Connect, DeFi GPT, and DeFi Scanner, solidifying its position as the market leader in the DeFi sector. This is making me so bullish on their token. It's in its 4th round of pre-sale right now and it's already pretty much sold out, so I'm going to scoop some of these tokens right away. I missed on the previous round because I was late. By the time I moved my funds into my MetaMask wallet, I missed out on it, it got sold. The price goes up a little with each round, so make sure that you act fast. Alright, so let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go for this option here where I have 30% of the tokens that I'm receiving and 70% will be locked for 4 months on a daily linear vesting. If I choose the slightly cheaper option, 100% of my funds are going to be locked for the 4 months linear vesting. So I kind of prefer to have at least 30% of this at my disposal in case there is like a big pump or something that I want to swing trade. So that's why I'm going for that price. I'm going to connect my wallet, choosing MetaMask. I'm going to use MetaMask with BNB Smart Chain because this is where I have some money here, USD Tether, and I have a little bit of BNB to cover fees and things. And I didn't really have to approve it this time because I've already connected before. But the first time you are connecting, you will have to approve this connection here. It's not going to be automatic as it happened with me. Here, I make sure that I select Binance Smart Chain so that there's no mistake. I mean, I can go to Polygon, but then in that case, I need to connect my Polygon wallet, not my Binance Smart Chain wallet, right? And I need to allow the switch of the network. I'm not gonna do that because I do want to stick to Binance Smart Chain. Let's go ahead and start with $99, which buys me 300 tokens. That's all right, I'm confirming. Now I need to confirm it on my MetaMask. And there is a gas fee of 21 cents. This is why I had to have some BNB in my wallet in order to approve this transaction and pay this gas fee, because every transaction on Binance Smart Chain is paid with BNB token. Okay, let's confirm this. There we go. I got 300 DeFi tokens and this is on Binance Smart Chain. Now, if I want to get some more tokens, because I don't really have here that much money in my MetaMask, of course I can move some more money in there. Now we see that I only have 1 USD left here in this wallet. Of course the other token will arrive when it's launched. It's not yet launched, so I can't really see the token here yet, but this is the process. Now I'm just going to wait until they launch, and this is when I'm going to get the tokens. And another thing is that I can actually use BNB. I'm not forced to be using USD Tether. I can use directly BNB. So what I'm gonna do is just deposit some more BNB in my account. Therefore, I don't really have to do the swapping of BNB into USD Tether and then buying it here with the stablecoin. I can transfer more BNB and purchase these tokens directly with BNB. Let's go and do that. All right. So I just transferred some more BNB into this MetaMask account. So now I can go and repeat the process directly with BNB coin. Let's use 2 BNB, which will get me almost 1,500. You know what? Let's make it 1,500. 1,500 DeFi tokens. I will have to approve. And I'm getting them again with the 30% unlock. Okay, let's confirm this. This time I'm paying 20 cents fee. So even cheaper this time. Of course, the fees change all the time. Okay, there we go. This is done as well. 1,507 actually I got. And this is just less than $500 at this current round. With every next round, the price is going up a little bit. And I missed the previous round because by the time I connected my wallet and I sent the funds into my wallet, it was closed. And it's now almost running out, so it will be closed very soon. I'm not sure whether it will probably close before I post this video, unfortunately, but you will get the next round. It's not going to be a dramatically higher price. It will be just a few cents higher. Now, the next thing that I want to do is go here in transaction history, and I can see both of my transactions. I'm expecting to receive 1,807 DeFi tokens in total. Alright, then one more thing in regards to Web3 networking. I mentioned their SocialFi platform, which unleashes the power of gamification. It's an innovative platform that transforms the traditional networking experience into an engaging game where users can compete, overcoming a variety of tasks and challenges, and earn XP tokens and exclusive badges in the process. With each achievement, you'll unlock new levels and have the opportunity to customize your profile. SocialFi offers a range of task categories to keep you engaged and motivated. Exploring daily tasks allows you to maintain streaks, batch tasks that proudly showcase your achievements, and referral tasks to expand the SocialFi community by bringing in new users. By delving into these task categories, you will not only earn XP but also level up, opening new doors to a world of opportunities within the platform. As you see, this is a truly one-stop shop for all DeFi use cases, and I'm very happy I got my invite a month ago. You can only join via an invite, so if my link runs dry, message me, I will be getting more invites soon. Also, try to get the DeFi token sooner as the price keeps going up with each next round. The fact that there's a 4-month vesting period is also good because it means there won't be a massive dump of tokens in the first weeks of their launch, so that's great. You can find my link in the description below, and also I send out 2 crypto newsletters a month sharing market analysis and other content that doesn't make it into the video episodes, so definitely worth getting onto my email list. The next one is in about 10 days from now, so make sure that you jump onto my Crypto Corner newsletter email list. The link is also in the description below. This is everything from me. While you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.